finished lowering the car. So let's take a look and see how much lower this vehicle is. I got this pretty cool, handy little tool with us. What do you think, Billy?
Good, man.
Yeah, not too low, right? Now, again, we used what's called the Voltland springs. Those are German engineered springs. Take a look and see how much lower. Well, you know what? They did state that it will be about 1.2 inches lower. And what I wanted to accomplish was to reduce this little fender gap between the tire and the body. So let's find out and see. Let's see, how do I all right, you can see this shows you how much gap there is. Let's take a look here. So we go like this. All right, okay, let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty low. Wait, we're going inches. I definitely recommend the Voltland lowering springs because they are German engineered, and they lower the vehicle just the right amount, not too low, giving you a very still comfortable ride and slightly better handling. Now, the only gripe though that I'm kind of having is that the wheel looks like it's kind of tucked in a little bit after lowering the vehicle. Looks like mostly the rear wheels. Looks like it's kind of tucked in a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in some wheel spacers. Maybe about, oh, I don't know. Let's see. Let's use my measuring tool here. Let's see. We're working on a Porsche. We work on everything here, guys. Imports, Euro, you name it. Where was I? Okay, so, okay, how do I work this thing? Oh, there it goes. Zero it out. How much gap am I? Okay, so it looks like about a 16 millimeter gap. I'm touching the wheel on the inside here to the fender, about 16. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably get like a 15 millimeter spacer and put it in. We got the wheel spacers here that I got. Let's check it out here. I specifically asked for black lug nuts. Now these are extended lug nuts because obviously the wheel spacers are thicker. But yeah, I requested black lug nuts to kind of match what the existing lug nuts are. So essentially the wheel spacer is going to sit in between the wheel and the brake rotor, pushing the wheel out so that way the tire, the wheel itself is going to be more flush with the body of the car, making it look nicer.